Want to watch Disney Plus offline? You need the best downloader. Here's a quick review of the top 5 Disney Plus downloaders with easy step-by-step guides to help you choose the right one for your needs. 1. StreamFab. Disney Plus downloader best overall. Why it's great. High-quality downloads in multiple formats and batch downloading for entire seasons. Steps. Install StreamFab. Log into Disney Plus. Pick a video and click Download. Pros. 1080p downloads. Batch downloading multiple formats. 2. OliveSoft Disney Plus downloader. Best for batch downloads. Why it's great. Batch download multiple videos quickly. Steps. Install OliveSoft. Copy the Disney Plus video URL. Paste it in. OliveSoft. Click Download. Pros. Supports batch downloads. Fast speeds. 3. YTD Video Downloader Pro. Best for beginners. Why it's great. Simple, easy-to-use interface. Steps. Install YTD Video Downloader. Paste the Disney Plus URL. Click Download. Pros. User-friendly HD downloads. 4. Audial's Movie Best for streaming quality. Why it's great. Preserves high streaming quality during downloads. Steps. Install Audial's. Log in to Disney Plus. Select a video and click Record. Pros. High-quality downloads. Stream recording 5. TunePad. Disney Plus downloader best for customization. Why it's great. Customizable quality, audio, and subtitles. Steps. Install TunePad. Log in to Disney Plus. Choose your video and click Download. Pros. Custom settings. Fast downloads. Conclusion. For easy downloads, go for StreamFab or OliveSoft. For customization, try TunePad. Which one will you use? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.